So this is how you can fix something went wrong on YouTube. It's actually quite an easy fix. If you're getting this message that says something went wrong, tap to try again, we can go ahead and fix that with a few steps. The first one is going down to your control panel and then turning airplane mode on. After a few seconds, maybe 5 or 10, you're gonna want to turn it off and then try again. If that still doesn't work, try using your mobile data or your cellular data and then restart YouTube and then open it up and see if it works. This error message usually appears when your Wi Fi connection isn't stable or there's just something wrong within the app. If those methods didn't work, then I assure you this final one will. You're going to want to hold onto this and then tap on Remove App. And then finally tap on Delete App to delete the YouTube app. After deleting, you're going to want to go back to the App Store and then download YouTube and then sign back in. This should 100% work. And yeah, that's about it. That is all I have for you in fixing this problem. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.